The free transform tool is one of the most useful features in Photoshop because it allows you to resize, rotate, stretch, flip, distort, and reposition layers with ease. You can quickly activate it by pressing Ctrl plus T on Windows or Command plus T on Mac. Once the transform box appears around your selected layer, simply drag the corner handles to make the object larger or smaller while maintaining its proportions. You can also rotate the object by moving your cursor outside a corner until the rotate icon appears, or right-click inside the transform box to access additional options such as scale, rotate, skew, distort, perspective, warp, and flip horizontal or flip vertical. If you're wondering how to make an image or object bigger in Photoshop, Ctrl plus T is the fastest and easiest method. After you've finished transforming your layer, press Enter or click the check mark in the options bar to apply the changes. That's it. Mastering the free transform tool will help you work faster and give you greater control over your Photoshop projects. Thanks for following this tutorial, and be sure to check out more Photoshop tips and tricks to improve your editing skills.